Are you prepared to embark on an exploration of some of the Earth's most enigmatic and unsettling locations? From forsaken cities to covert government installations, brace yourself to unveil the enigmas concealed within these mysterious sites that have ensnared the curiosity of both conspiracy theorists and adventurers. Here we present the most enigmatic places, more chilling than Area 51. Pine Gap. Nestled in the remote desert of Australia's Northern Territory, approximately 20 kilometers southwest of Alice Springs, Pine Gap stands as a highly secretive intelligence facility. Operated jointly by the Australian government and the United States Central Intelligence Agency, or CIA, Pine Gap is rumored to specialize in intercepting signals intelligence, encompassing satellite imagery and communications from diverse global locations. Despite these claims, the true nature of Pine Gap's operations remains veiled in secrecy, spawning conjecture and dispute. Allegations of illicit activities, including surveillance of Australian citizens and involvement in contentious U.S. military ventures, have emerged, yet both Australian and U.S. authorities vehemently deny any wrongdoing. As such, Pine Gap persists as one of the world's most enigmatic and concealed military compounds. Yamantau Mountain Complex. Yamantau Mountain Complex is a covert and heavily fortified subterranean installation nestled within Russia's Ural Mountains. Cloaked in mystery, this facility's existence remains unconfirmed by the Russian government. It's hypothesized to have been erected during the Cold War as a storage repository and command center for nuclear weaponry. The above-ground township of Nezgora is intertwined with secrecy, limiting access and hinting at a hidden subterranean counterpart. This sprawling underground complex spans over 400 square miles, interlaced with tunnels and concealed structures. The true purpose of this labyrinthine enclave remains shrouded in ambiguity, giving rise to conjectures ranging from governmental bunkers to advanced armament storage. Amid numerous attempts to unveil the enigma, the Russian government persists in its reticence, safeguarding the area with stringent security protocols. The Queen Mary. The Queen Mary, a retired British ocean liner that sailed from 1936 to 1967, was acquired by the city of Long Beach. The ship was repurposed into a tourist attraction encompassing restaurants, a museum, and a hotel. However, reports emerged of paranormal activity, with purported resident spirits like Jackie, a spectral young girl who frequents the first-class pool, John Petter, who met his demise beneath a watertight door, and a cook who suffered a tragic fate during World War II. The ship's most infamous haunt is stateroom B340, where accounts tell of mysterious knocking, autonomous bathroom lights and faucets, unexplained door closures, and even instances of bed covers being tugged in the dead of night, accompanied by the eerie presence of a shadowy figure. The origins of these haunting occurrences remain obscure, steeped in an unsettling air of mystery. Porton Down. A government research facility located in Wiltshire, England, established during World War I as a testing ground for chemical weaponry, the site has evolved into a leading UK research hub for defence and security. The facility's activities are shrouded in secrecy, guarded by strict security measures, armed patrols, and high fencing. Over the years, Porton Down has been mired in controversy, including incidents of inadvertent exposure of military personnel to chemical agents during experiments, allegations of chemical weapon testing on unsuspecting civilians, as well as claims of unethical animal and human experimentation. While focusing on areas like disease control today, much of Porton Down's operations continue to remain veiled in enigma. Okahara Forest. Okahara Forest is also known as the Suicide Forest in Japan. A haunting blend of tragedy and terror, this forest serves as a chilling backdrop for a distressing phenomenon. Enigmatic and sorrowful, this woodland draws individuals seeking to end their lives, with annual suicide statistics collected by local police during campaigns. Legends and beliefs envelop the forest, citing ancient tales of abandonment leading to starvation, spawning lingering, vengeful spirits. These restless apparitions are said to torment visitors and guide the lost astray. The forest's eerie aura is attributed to mystical forces residing within its trees. The grim allure of Okahara Forest and the motives behind the countless suicides that transpire there remain shrouded in an enigmatic sorrow that defies understanding. The Raven Rock Mountain Complex. The Raven Rock Mountain Complex, a highly secure military installation nestled in Pennsylvania, United States, is often dubbed the Underground Pentagon. This facility, also known as Site R, emerged during the Cold War as a backup command center for the Pentagon. Its design ensures the continuity of government operations following a nuclear attack. Concealed within a mountain, the complex boasts an extensive network of subterranean tunnels, facilities, and backup power systems, supporting vital functions during emergencies. Equipped with communication systems, medical facilities, and living quarters, it stands as a comprehensive haven for personnel in dire circumstances. Although its origins trace back to the Cold War, the Raven Rock Mountain Complex remains operational today, its specific functions and capabilities veiled in classified secrecy. Alaska Triangle. The Alaska Triangle is a remote and infamous expanse renowned for alien abductions, Bigfoot sightings, paranormal occurrences, and enigmatic aircraft disappearances. Comparable to the Bermuda Triangle but nestled within Alaska's rugged, unforgiving wilderness, this vast region encompasses dense forests, rugged mountain peaks, alpine lakes, and extensive wilderness expanses. The terrain's formidable nature contributes to the disconcerting phenomenon of numerous people, including airplane passengers, hikers, and tourists, vanishing without a trace. Surpassing the national average, over 16,000 individuals have disappeared within the Alaska Triangle since 1988, raising unsettling questions about the mysteries that lie within this icy realm. Dogway Proving Ground. The Dogway Proving Ground is an intensely covert military facility concealed within Utah's Great Salt Lake Desert. Established in 1942, it encompasses a sprawling 798,214 acres, ranking among the world's largest military testing grounds. The facility is a hub for testing and developing chemical and biological weapons, alongside researching and advancing defense technologies. Its high security, restricted access, and secretive activities have fueled speculation and conspiracy theories. Notably, a 1968 incident involving the accidental release of VX nerve agent led to ecological devastation in nearby Skull Valley, amplifying concerns and controversies surrounding the facility. Despite its past, the Dogway Proving Ground continues to play a pivotal role in U.S. national security endeavors, with its operations veiled in profound secrecy. North Korea. North Korea is a country shrouded in terrifying mystery. Under the rule of dictator Kim Jong-un, the nation is characterized by a secretive and oppressive regime. With restricted internet access, government-approved media, and severe punishments for dissent, citizens endure dire living conditions marked by scarcity of food, subpar healthcare, and extreme control. Reports depict rampant human rights abuses, including executions, imprisonments, and forced labor camps, where entire families suffer due to the guilty by association principle. These camps subject prisoners to unimaginable torment, rendering them skeletal, wounded, and malnourished. North Korea's isolated and secretive nature gives rise to fears of far graver atrocities occurring beyond the world's view. Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, often abbreviated as WPAFB, is a venerable cornerstone of the United States Air Force located east of Dayton, Ohio. Established in 1917 towards the close of World War I, it boasted an enduring legacy in American aviation and military history. Intriguingly, WPAFB has connections to enigmatic intelligence investigations initiatives, notably Project Grudge and Project Blue Book, both stemming from the 1950s. These ventures were dedicated to scrutinizing thousands of reported UFO sightings, with Project Blue Book delving into 12,618 cases. Among these, 701 incidents remained unexplained, sparking enduring speculation. Some reports even originated from within WPAFB itself. These associations have shrouded the base in an air of mystery, fueling conjecture about classified endeavors and unconventional artifacts. This mystique is compounded by its historical significance and contributions to aviation technology. However, it's crucial to approach these notions with discernment, as while WPAFB's legacy in aviation and military research is solid, the extent of its involvement in classified projects and UFO investigations remains speculative. The allure of the unknown continues to intertwine with the base's storied history. Snake Island. About 90 miles away from Brazil's city of Sao Paulo rests the Ilha de Queimada Grande, more commonly known as Snake Island. Despite its picturesque appearance on bird's-eye views and Google Maps, this island is strictly off-limits under the Brazilian Navy's decree. Its intriguing title, Snake Island, owes itself to the approximately 4,000 snakes that inhabit its grounds. Imagine there's a snake every 6 yards on this 110-acre terrain. What's more, the island is the habitat of the golden lancehead, one of the world's most venomous vipers. The venom it carries is rumored to be so powerful it can melt human flesh. This eerie fact adds to the island's unsettling reputation. The blend of its striking natural beauty with the presence of these deadly creatures creates an atmosphere that's both captivating and unsettling, a mix that can give anyone the shivers. Vatican Secret Archives. When you visit Vatican City, it's like stepping into a magical world filled with history and reverence. But among all the wonders, there's one thing you can't explore: the Vatican Secret Archives. This place is special and mysterious because of its name. The Vatican Library is where they keep old books that popes have cherished for ages. However, only a very small group of people can enter the secret archives. Inside the impressive walls of this library, only a few chosen people can walk the corridors, touching the history of the past. The walls seem to hold stories of faith, tradition, and spirituality. But what really captures people's imagination are the secret archives. Behind its doors there might be ancient texts that could make us question things we believe. Some say there are books that tell a different story about Jesus Christ, something not everyone knows. And then there's another idea that floats around, a mysterious one. Some think these archives could have proof that there's life beyond Earth, maybe aliens. Imagine, this place might hold secrets about beings from far away. The Vatican Secret Archives are like a puzzle waiting to be solved. It's a place where history and mystery come together, where truths and stories mix in an extraordinary way. Those locked doors make people wonder, and the very thought of the Vatican Secret Archives weaves a spell of curiosity and wonder, a mystery that's waiting to be unraveled. That's all for today. The exploration of the top mysterious and chilling locations, each possessing an aura of dread and enigma surpassing that of Area 51. Feel free to share your thoughts on whether you would dare venture to these eerie destinations. Goodbye for now.